Also loves, I have another amazing small Echo Park haul to share with you. They did have, I think this was part of the warehouse sale. Yeah, I think this was part of the warehouse sale. So I did go ahead and snag some goodies, so let's go ahead and check it out. The first thing I want to show you are some of the paper pads I was able to get. So I did get some Essentials paper pads here, and these are 6x6, and they are 24 double-sided, and they're basically just the plain color. Yeah, these are basically the just plain colors that I wanted to get to add to my stash. So let's go ahead and look at this one, and this one is like the fall one. That. I like that. I like this color. And that one. And a pink. Like a lighter pink. So you get different shades. And then yellow. Yeah, different shades of yellows and oranges. That. And then it repeats. So that's the first one here. Love it. Then the next one here is another 24 double-sided, and there's an Essential 6x6 pad. So let's go ahead and look at this one. And I got this one to make like masculine cards. Yeah, like the half black, the white, like a gray. I really like the gray. Lighter gray, a cream. Then you get a little darker. So it goes light to dark. So it's like darker brown. Love it. I love all these colors. That. And then so it repeats. So you get 12 different colors on here. Love, love, love. Real nice. The next one here, I have like the, I don't know, this reminds me almost foresty, like a forest. Do these got names? No, but this reminds me, actually the next two is kind of like foresty for me. But let's go ahead and look at this one. This one has pinks, blues, and greens. You get the light pinks. And it goes darker. And then you have the blues. Love these. I love these colors. That. So these are like everyday colors that you can use, and then it repeats. I got that one, and I think these were only $3. I want to say, like $3, 3 or 4. And the next one I also got. This is another one. This is greens to purples. Let's look at this one. Oh, I love the sage. Love it. Look at all those pretty colors. Oh, I love color. Look at that. And your purples, lavenders. Then you go to your green, hunter green. Love hunter green. Different shades of it. And then it repeats. I love this. This is a nice set. Real nice. I got those. I don't know if I got all of them, but I did get quite a bit of them. The next thing I want to show you are the dies. Now some of these actually were, I think most of these might have been bundles, and they were at a great price. I think some of these were bundles, if I remember. I don't remember. I know the dies. Yeah, I think they were bundles, so you get like a stamp and a die. And it was actually pretty cheap. So I ended up getting 4 bundles. I'm guessing that one with that. For the first one here, I got the Christmas one. So you get the dies to cut some of these out, and so you get the win to cut the win stamp, and then you do got the 2 snowflakes. And this one says, "'Tis the season to be cozy. Hello winter, I'm not ready for winter." And I don't have my glasses to read that. Oh, I'm guessing cutest little snowflake for that one. So I got this, and I think these were, I thought it were 2 for $5. The bundle was $5. I think it was $5. I have to look it up. I'll put it in the video if I find what the price was, but I thought it was $5. And the next one I have here is the coordinating die to cut the banner, and then the 2 snowflakes here. And then this one also has sentiments. Thank you snow much. Happy winter season, winter days. Your melting heart. Oh, you melt my heart. It's actually a nice little set. I love it. A nice set. So you don't have to fussy cut this stuff right here. Real nice. So I got that one. Another winter one that I got was this other Christmas one. And this one came with Mrs. Claus and Santa Claus, which cut these 2 here. And then you do got some sentiments. Feeling merry. I can't read the small font, but I know it says Cozy Christmas, a very Merry Christmas, and joy, and then you got some extras. Oh, I love it. This is a nice deal. And I didn't know they had this deal until I started when I was going down the pages, and I noticed the Winnie the Pooh had 2 for 1 price. And of course they had already sold out, so I didn't get that one, but so I went ahead and searched bundles, and this one came out. I was like, yep, I gotta get it. Okay, this one has the nutcracker for the stamp, the wreath, and then the little ribbon here. And then this also comes with some sentiments. It says fa la la la, Merry Christmas, wishing you a Merry Christmas, love love love. So yeah, this was great deal. If you haven't did Echo Park little deals that they have different deals every week. They do have warehouse deals. Like they were in the process of doing a summer warehouse deal. I don't know if it's still happening, but it is. I will put all the links. I put the links below so you can check it out if you have never been to Echo Park. But Echo Park has some great papers. And do subscribe to the email, because they do send you an email when they have a $5 kit, and it could be one that you've been waiting for. So go ahead and subscribe to their email, because that's how I get all their little deals and know when their stuff is coming. But yeah, that is my small Echo Park haul to share with you. If you bought anything from Echo Park in this last sale, leave a comment below. I would love to know what you bought. Maybe something that I missed. But yeah, make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.